Hi guys, Kim Cash here. I'm just doing some stenciling onto a hand towel, just using a little heart that was a cookie cutter. Let's see if you can see that. And I'm just laying it down on the hand towel, and then I'm using this stencil cream. And this brush. Let's see. So if you're interested in Valentine's Day decorations, then just keep watching. Just dotting it. This was really kind of dry. I used another stencil cream recently, and it was much wetter. So I'm not sure how this is going to work. So you can see, let me see, hold on. And then I'll have to let it dry, and I'm hopeful that if I do a row, it will be really cute. So we'll see. Trying to cover the fabric enough so that when after it dries and then I wash it in the washing machine, it hopefully will stay and be colored enough. I also got a stencil of some little gnomes, and I thought I might do some mushrooms. I've got some mushrooms here and some little gnomes on the towel. So we'll see how it comes out. An experiment. They have special brushes for stenciling that are just flat, but these are what I have, and they're inexpensive paint brushes, so I'm just going to use what I have. It might be easier if you had the proper stencil brush, but I have a lot of paint brushes, so I thought, I'll just try it. See how it comes out. Just trying to make sure I cover all the fabric. You can see the hearts right now are coming out pretty good. I just don't know what it'll look like after I wash it in the washing machine. I could also cross stitch around it just to make it a little more obvious. The other stencil cream I have used was not quite so dry. This one's pretty dry. I could show you the other one. I think the wetter one is probably a little better. I think it was the same brand though. So I'm just using the cookie cutter as my template. And I'm just going over it a few times to make sure that it's got some good coverage. Okay. So Now you can see that, let me see if you can see that. It looks like you can, but I'm going to bring it up closer. And I'm just going to let it dry. And then we'll see, because it's a stencil cream paint, once it's dry, I'm hopeful that it's going to be permanent. So there it is. And I'll show it to you after it's dry, and I might do a couple of these little gnome guys too. So there you have it. A hand towel for the bathroom that will be Valentine's Day like. And oh, I'll show you. I also I was going to decorate my bathroom for Valentine's Day. And I went to Ross, which is just a discount store, to see if they had shower curtains with hearts on it, but I couldn't find any. And I thought, well, I could just stencil on the shower curtain. But the white shower curtains that I found had ribbing in them. And I thought that would probably not work so well. So I'll show you what I got. Okay, so I thought I'd show you how I decorated the bathroom for Valentine's Day. I have this little red mat, and then I just got this garland of felt hearts that I just strung up on the shower curtain, and I think that kind of does enough. It gives it the Valentine's Day feel. And then I have a red bow up on the mirror. I don't know if you can see that out here. It looks pretty glary. And then some white hand towels with red that just say peace, comfort, and joy. And so I have a couple of those. Let's see if I can show you over here. Just a couple of the hand towels, the white with the red. I think that looks really nice. And then the ribbon and the garland. I thought that really gave it a Valentine's feel. And also the mat. I thought that little mat was a pop of color. So that's what I did. Okay, so I showed you what I did in the bathroom to decorate for Valentine's Day. And I've showed you the hand towel that I'm just stenciling hearts on. And then one other thing I'm doing is I'm making some cross stitch. I don't know if you can see that. It's just a little house. It's a simple cross stitch. And I shouldn't show you the pattern, but it's just a simple cross stitch with a little heart, and I'm going to make a pillow out of that. And just a few decorations around the house. I did some conversation hearts out of wood that are hung out in my yard, and I did some chalkboard clothespins that I stuck on my fence that said hug me and cutie and be mine. And then I made a wreath. So I've been doing a few things, and I have a couple more things I'm still going to do. So if you're interested, please subscribe to my channel down below. And if you have any ideas about crafts or things you'd like to see, then please put it in the comments. And I just wanted to say thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a great January and lead up to Valentine's Day. Thanks for watching. Bye.